So, did I mention I love the rainforest? Yeah, 'cause I do. Here goes some piranhas. Over there's a big fat ass saw-billed catfish. There's supposed to be a dwarf caiman right there. Right there. So yeah, this is the kind of stuff that I love. I loves the rainforest. Oh, the fish. All the water and trees and canopy overhangs. Although I couldn't find that one lizard I was looking for. But yeah, all of this. This is the kind of stuff that I like. Here we are going into a dark and mysterious cave. And even though you can't really see them, they're supposed to be fruit bats. There goes one. No, fruit bat. Here we go, back into the place where the first video started. Can't quite see the poison arrow frogs anymore. They're kind of hiding. Like down there somewhere. You can barely see him. There he is right there, between the two greens. And it looks like that basilisk has gone into hiding as well. And I never did find that howler monkey. Ah, there they are. Both of them are hiding up in that corner right there. As you can see, the video is getting a little grainy. But yeah, there they are. They don't feel like howling right now. He's just letting his boys hang out. And he must have heard me because he's turning away. Now that's the shit right there. Water running between rocks with plants and trees all around. Doesn't get better than this. And for some reason that door back there sounds like a dog barking. Around here there should be some birds, but I don't see them. So, moving right along. There's a little, I guess a powwow hut or something for rainforests. Very nice expanded canopy right there. There goes a caiman lizard. And now this is video of me walking around the rainforest exhibit. Way back over there you can see Toucan Sam. And there goes an owl. A spectacled owl. There's a Rainforest Mayan, I guess, ceremony. Who's going to be sacrificing next? There's that one chick in the middle just chilling, totally baked. And there goes a hanging piece of fruit for something. That's the exhibit for the jaguars, but they're on the other side. So, there's the tropical rattlesnake down there. And here we come to the money shot. The little rainforest lagoon. There's some ibis birds up there. And like I said, behind me is all this rainforest stuff that hopefully I'll get to see a year from now if I go to the Amazon. And if I hadn't decided to become interested in being a musician, I probably would have been a rainforest nut. So instead of being 27 years old working at a gas station, I'd be 27 years old with about 10 years of rainforest experience instead. But that's not how it happened. And down there, got all the water. Little bubble bath over there in the corner. Got some carp with weird heads right there. And that's about it for this rainforest. So, and there's the parting thoughts. That it's always summer, living things don't need to freeze, starve, hibernate, or store food. So it's like constantly living in summer, so if you hate hot weather, you'd hate the rainforest. And don't get me wrong, I mean, I don't really like hot weather that much, but I love rainforests. And that's about it. So, this concludes my tour. Oh, almost, wait. There's more. But wait, there's more. Here be the jaguar exhibit. And it looks like all the jaguars are not here. So that's disappointing. But I do have pictures of them that I could probably post somewhere else. But there you can see in the distance a big Mayan statue, probably celebrating jaguars somehow. And that's the end of the rainforest exhibit. Alright, now it's over. So, I guess, bye.